Okay, Simpson's rule. What is Simpson's rule? Basically, Simpson's rule is a method used to find the sum of areas under the parabolas of the curve. And for Simpson's rule, it can only be used to find the approximate area. Okay, next we'll move on to how to apply Simpson's rule. Okay, first step, divide area into n strips like this. Second step, find the width. For example, you want to find the width of the shaded part labeled h. We use the formula h equals to b minus a over n. H will be the width and n will be the number of strips. Third step, evaluate and number the values of y0 to yn like this. Fourth, find the approximate area. The general formula with this general formula, you're able to find the approximate area, and therefore this is how Simpson's rule is done. Okay, now I'm going to compare trapezoidal rule with Simpson's rule. Firstly, trapezoidal rule. For trapezoidal rule, the number of n strips can be even or odd. But for Simpson's rule, the number of n strips must be even. Okay, and now for the advantage and disadvantage of Simpson's rule. Firstly, advantage. The advantage of Simpson's rule is that it is more accurate compared to trapezoidal rule, and its disadvantage is that it can only be used if the number of strips, of n strips, is even. And therefore this is the advantage and disadvantage of Simpson's rule. I shall pass on to my next speaker, Qi Zhi, who will talk further on Simpson's rule. Thank you.
Okay, this is one of the example in Simpson rules. Okay, you can see that the function is here. This is pi 0 is the limit, is 1 over 1 plus sin x dx. And then the question was given say that there are total of 6 strips. Okay, firstly we see this type of question, we will just find the length of each sub-interval. Okay, we use h equal to b minus a divided by n. B, the limit pi minus 0 over 6. So the answer we get is pi over 6. Okay, and then now we'll just plot the table, which is x 0 pi over 6, pi over 6 times 2, pi over 6 times 3, pi over 6 times 4, pi over 6 times 5, and lastly pi. Okay, and then this is 1 over 1 plus sine x, which is our function. Now we sub the value in, and then after calculation you will get all this 5, 9, 0, and 1. Okay, okay, from here we can just use Simpson's rule. Okay, this is our function, and the formula for Simpson's rule is different from trapezoidal rule. Okay, this is the formula: 0 plus y6 plus 4y1 plus y3 plus y5 plus 2y2 plus y4. Okay, and from here, okay, we just, this is our y0, y1, y2, y3, y4, y5, and y6. Okay, now we can just simply sub the value inside. H we found is pi over 6 divided by 3. Okay, y0 will be 1 plus our y6 will be 1 also, plus 4, y1 is 0.6667 plus y3 0.5, y5 0.6667 plus 2 bracket y2 0.5359, and lastly y4 0.5359. Okay, so after you calculate everything, the answer you should get is, pi 18, after simplify, 11.4772. Okay, and then the final answer you should get is 2.0.